Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our German learning journey. Today, we're diving into the world of Wohnungssuche apartment hunting. Whether you're planning to live in Germany or just expanding your language skills, this lesson is perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. Before we begin our lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our German learning adventures. Now, let's jump into Lesson 64. In our last lesson, we explored the intricacies of banking in Germany. We covered terms like bank, Sparkasse, Geldenstidit, and more. If you missed it, make sure to check it out for a comprehensive understanding of financial vocabulary. But today, our focus is on finding the perfect apartment. Let's kick things off by reviewing some key terms from the previous lesson. Recall important phrases such as Ich gehe zur Bank, I'm going to the bank, and Ich bin in der Bank, I'm in the bank. These will come in handy when you're out and about in Germany. Now, let's move on to apartment-related vocabulary. Phrases like Wohnungssuche, apartment hunting, and Ich suche ein Wohnung. Looking for an apartment will be essential during your stay in Germany. Let's make this lesson more interactive. Pause the video and practice these phrases on your own. Feel free to leave your attempts in the comments below, and we'll provide feedback. Next, we'll explore housing terms such as Miet Rent, Vermieter Landlord, and Mietvertrag rental agreement. Understanding these terms will make your apartment search much smoother. Imagine scenarios where you need to communicate with potential landlords or inquire about apartment details. We'll provide practical dialogues to help you navigate these situations effortlessly. That wraps up our lesson on apartment hunting in German. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more language learning content. In our next lesson, we'll delve into everyday conversations, focusing on greetings, introducing yourself, and more. Stay tuned for an immersive learning experience. Thank you for joining us today. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time.